What is up, ADG traders? This is Punya and welcome back to my trading channel. In this video today, I'm going to teach you how to make a very perfect bullish analysis. So we're going to take a look at boom 500, crash 500, crash 1000, and boom 1000. We're going to analyze and I'm going to teach you how to create the best setups for this coming week. If you are new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. And last week's analysis and VIP winner was Ree. He commented was close to what happened to the market. So he talked about when crash will sell until it reaches the support zone, which is exactly what happened to our boom 500. As you can see, it was selling, and he talked about crash 500 also selling, and again his crash 1000 and boom 1000 was quite on point. So contact me, Ray. You are the winner of the VIP group, and if you also want to win it a chance to get into the VIP group for 1 month, comment down below what you think is going to happen this week to these indices that we're going to take a look at. With that said, let's jump straight into today's business and analyze our charts. So right now I'm on boom 500, and we want to see the daily time frame. We want to see what is going to happen this week. So as you can see, we've been coming from this top level, right? This price action at its best, coming from this top level, and we've been setting or respecting quite important price points, and currently we are at this point and we're hoping to get lower. So with these price levels clearly set, we can start to see the momentum, the bearish momentum that we're experiencing. We broke the support zone, and price kept on falling back. We had a little retest. You can see this, a retest to our support, and the price dropped back down again, which shows that boom 500 is still in a strong selling momentum, right? So it would be wiser to actually get some sell trades. But on the contrary, we're also seeing that we have some sort of a channel right about here, and if you keep on going further down below, let me check in the weekly time frame and explain what I mean. If you keep on going further down there, we're probably going to hit this blue line that we're experiencing. So a sell is more likely to happen because we are now chasing this blue line that we have there. So that's how we expect our boom 500 to work this week. Let's check on crash 500 and see what we have. So again, I'm in the daily time frame as usual. I'm going to highlight my important price zones. Is this zone. I also have this very important retest zone. Then lastly, I have this support zone down below, right? So this is what has been happening to price. We had this bullish movement, then retracement, we went bullish again, price came back down and surpassed the previous low, this one, and then it went bullish again to this point. So now my analysis is now telling me that we're probably going to be in a downtrend now. Try to approach this level so that we can continue in a downtrend that we're currently experiencing. You can now clearly see that we have a nice cap here. It shows our channel, right? It shows our channel and the channel that crash 500 is moving at. Okay, So this coming week we're probably going to hit this resistance zone and move back down to the support zone, or maybe at least this trend line, this blue trend line that you see in the middle there, right? We can also check this on our weekly time frame, and we'll talk about the candlestick pattern that we are currently experiencing. So I'm going to zoom this in and you can see what I'm talking about. So from the beginning of the year, you can see that crash 500 has been bearish, right? So what is most likely to happen is you're going to continue in that bearish movement until the end of the year, right? So you're going to experience that very bearish movement until the end of the year, right? So it makes sense to start selling now, and for position traders, you can actually hold it out for the next 3 months in that sell position. Okay, and then we're going to take a look at crash 1000, the daily time frame, and see what we have. So we're in the daily time frame right now. We're experiencing some sort of consolidation, but from what we see, I'm going to highlight again important price points. I'm going to highlight the most important price points that we have, which are these ones. So because you can clearly see that we are ranging, right? The momentum that we have for the uptrend that we are currently in is currently low. It's actually very low, but price is not really pushing that much. We've candlestick clustered all over the place, but they're not moving that much. So as you can see, we are in an uptrend, but the uptrend is actually moving quite slow. There's a lot of consolidation, so obviously going to expect price to drop back down to this level, and there's no breakout out of this zone, right? We're going to experience nice bullish movement maybe to this level throughout this coming week, right? But since this is my analysis, I'm going to leave this chart like this and expect that we're going to bounce at the blue trend line that we have there and continue in a bullish movement. Okay, and then we have boom 1000. Boom 1000 has been quite easy to predict since we are now getting into a downtrend or a bearish movement. We've clearly highlighted from the previous videos that we're now recovering from this rally, or almost an institutional move that we experienced all these past months. Currently we have something like this, and we have a channel pointing downwards with small movements, and I'm predicting that this coming week we're probably going to be bullish for 1000. Although we're in a downtrend, we're going to be bullish a little bit, maybe to this point or maybe even lower, but then continue in a downtrend eventually, right? So some bullish days are being expected for 1000, and the long term or the position trade will be a sell as we target probably this level again, this low again, right? And then maybe moving down to smaller time frames. For those that have notifications turned on, you can clearly see this clean channel that we have, and we're expecting a bullish movement. We can also set up a perfect zone here where we're going to target our price. We have another one right at the top there, and then another one right at this top, and then bottom ones are right here, one here. So maybe we can start by targeting the bottom one, and then also have another zone spot there, so we can target this zone or we can target this zone, or we can also target this zone. Okay, so now we have complete analysis, and hopefully this week we're actually going to make it, and I hope you guys are placing those trades and make some money. Pare the pega. Pare the pega.
I'm almost done pegging.
Moving back down to crash 1000, just for clarification, you can check out smaller time frames and see what I'm talking about. So this downward movement that I'm expecting to continue, right? You can also add some more trend lines here. You can see that broke this trend line, retested it, and now we're actually heading down to the lower time frame. Okay, and also in the weekly, in the crash 500, moving down to smaller time frame for you guys to actually get the sense of what's happening. We have something like this on our charts. You can see that price is trying to consolidate as we approach this zone, this resistance zone, showing that we're most likely going to see a change in direction, and the change in direction will be bearish change, or going to move from bullish to bearish, and continue this downward movement that is currently being supported by these two trend lines and the overall bigger trend lines from our bigger time frame. So that is all for this week. Contact me. You have one free VIP access for my signals. If you want to join my signals group, make sure you join. Also join my Telegram channel for updates, and follow me on Instagram for more posts and updates. Till next time.